Hi guys, in this short video I will tell you that how you can easily create a new Duolingo account. That's quite simple and interesting, so let's get started. So make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make any mistake. So guys, first of all you will have to go to the Play Store, Google Play Store, and you will have to download a Duolingo app. And once you download it, you will simply open the app. After that you will have to click on Get Started and then click on Continue and then again click on Continue. Once you are on this page, you will first have to select the language that you want to learn. For example, I want to learn, let's say, for example, I want to learn French language or Russian language. Click on continue. Once this page will appear, you will have to select any of the source that you got. For example, I got YouTube. How did you hear about Duolingo? Click on it. Click on continue. And let's say I'm new to Russian and I will click on this, and then you will have to click on continue. Prepare for travel, let's say. That's why I'm learning a Russian language. Click on next, continue, and again click on continue. And let's say I'm serious, 15 minutes a day. Okay, 75 words in a week. Let's find the best place to start. I already learning Russian for the first time. Click on continue, and okay, click on continue and click on continue, and it will bring you to this page. Now you'll have to translate some sentences from this page by guessing it. It doesn't matter you guess it right or wrong. And once you're done, after translating all sentences, you will be directed to a new page says that lesson completed, and click on continue. And after that, it will show the daily quest completed. Click on claim reward, and then you will have to click on continue. After that, you can select any day streak. For example, I select 7 and click on equip for free and then create a profile. First you will have to enter your age, then your name, and once you enter your name you will have to enter your email address. Click on continue, and then you will have to click on enter your email, and then you will have to create a strong password for your account or profile. And that's all done. Your Duolingo profile has been created successfully.